Alright guys, this is a full-size Dodge Cummins we did a detail on for one of our customers. It received a full interior exterior detail with a shampoo add-on, and I think on this job it took me around 6 hours, but that's because this is the first time I decided to go ahead and film the whole process. So throughout this video you're just going to see step by step of what it takes to detail the vehicles that we work on. Guys, if you get any value out of this video, if you're watching from Facebook, please like and share the video. I greatly appreciate it. YouTube, please, hit that subscribe button, like the video, hit that bell notification. That way all my videos will pop up. We went ahead and removed any items left in the vehicle and bigger pieces of trash. With our air compressor and our air blower attachment, we went ahead and blew out all the cracks and crevices to remove all that dust. I would think that that is the very first step in a good detailing process. As you can see, we've went ahead and started vacuuming the interior of this vehicle. Once finished, we'll go ahead and start our shampoo process. We start by soaking everything down in a heavy grade degreaser. Following that, we go ahead and agitate the whole surface area to get all that dirt and grime knocked up and loosened. Now that our surface is agitated, we'll start by extracting everything to make sure that all the years of dirt buildup and grime is removed from this vehicle. Now I'll be following the same process throughout the rest of this interior. Let's do it. Moving on to degreasing and cleaning all the plastic, vinyl, and interior trim work. I take my detail brush, my microfiber, and degreaser and start by hitting all the hard to reach places, cracks and crevices. That way we get every last detail. Following that, I'll take my microfiber and make sure that I'm blending accordingly. Now on to adding that protection. We'll follow that same process as before, hitting all the surface area. It's important to test products to make sure you know what's going to work and what's not going to work. Here I'm just making sure that I'm going over and blending everything properly. Now on to cleaning the glass. I like to keep two microfibers, a wet and a dry, to make sure that my glass is streak free. Alright guys, we just finished up the interior of this vehicle. Always make sure to do a final vacuum over everything. Go over all your work, take your time, make sure you're doing everything, up to your standards. Remember, it's not about you, it's about that customer. We'll start by giving the entire exterior a thorough rinse. We don't want any decontamination, so we'll start by cleaning our wheels and tires first. We started with our degreaser, followed by some wheel and tire cleaner. That way we can remove all the iron particles, all the tar buildup, make sure those inner fenders are nice and clean. After scrubbing the wheels and tires and the inner fenders, we'll go ahead and rinse everything off. That way we can follow through with our exterior wash. We're taking our foam cannon and spraying everything down with one of our ceramic wash products that we like to use, just to give it a little bit of hydrophobic properties there at the end of the wash. It's not a ceramic coating, but it does help. We did apply some bug and tar remover to the front of the vehicle as well as the side mirrors. After scrubbing everything down, go ahead and rinse the vehicle off. I did work by myself on this vehicle, and it is best to wash one side of the vehicle per time, but the sun wasn't out, and as I was in a hurry to get this done, I went ahead and just knocked it all out. Unfortunately, guys, there were a few things in the process that I didn't get the chance to record. Drying the truck, applying the wax, as well as applying the tire shine, and the final glass wipe down, just the whole total look around. The customer ended up coming back and we got caught up talking. The sun was going down and I was just beat. I was ready to get out of there. Everything went great, guys. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. I really appreciate you watching all the way through if you did. Again, if you guys are on Facebook, like and share the video. It means so much. If you're on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Hit that bell notification. That way you guys can keep up with any of the videos that I'm going to be uploading on there. Again, guys, thanks so much for watching.